best building a relationship takes time and trust. You should have time for your employees and trust over those employees. If you are unable to devote time for your employees, you can never build a good relationship.
Exactly.
When you talk of relationship, it is professional relationship first and personal relationship second.
All right.
Personal relationship is equally necessary than professional relationship.
All right.
You, by building up personal relationship, you understand what is going in the mind of that person.
All right.
What are the impediments in that person's individual life which is holding him back from giving him his best?
Exactly.
Once you understand this problem,
Right.
these are these limitations which are not allowing him to contribute to the organization that much as he should be.
Exactly.
A person may not be able to give 100%
You're right.
to the organization due to A, B, C, D reasons. That he will do only if he has confidence and trust in you, and he will come out with his issues.
Exactly.
If you address those issues, he will be able to contribute his
100%.
100% because now his personal issues are solved.
Now he's ready for the corporate.
Now he is ready to give his best
Professionals.
for the corporate and profession, and for which he will always be grateful to you also. So by addressing his personal issues, you get a loyalty from him. And today, let me tell you, in the corporate world, this single factor of loyalty and integrity is missing.
You're right. Perfect.
He will never bitch against you, come what may.
Exactly. If you clear with the relationship and proper
If
thing.
personal relationship, you help him out in personal problems, it will reflect in his conduct in your organization.
Exactly.
And that is the underlying principle of
Relationship.
relationships in the army.
How wonderful. Right. Is it this particular relationship kind of the relationship?
I solve that gentleman's problem, come whatever it is, home problem, admission problem, some other problem. And at least if I am unable to solve it fully, partially, or given him a patient hearing, my rapport with him
Exactly.
is built. I earn a place of respect in his mind. He will never speak ill about me, at least.
Exactly.
He will say, "Yaar, this Saab has heard me out fully. He has did his best to address the issues.
Correct.
He has put his influences to work to sort out my problems.
Right.
Due to him, these family problems were solved. Now that his family problems are over,
Then he's okay with everything. Right.
and whenever I meet him outside the organization, I'll always I have earned a place of respect in his mind always. Permanent.
Exactly. Correct.
So that's where building relationship is very important. Very important.
So is this same formula is applicable for the customer relationship?
It is applicable equally for the customer
Every of the
relationship.
people. All right.
And I'll tell you a few incidences where good companies have lost dedicated and loyal and good customers
Exactly.
just because of some small rules or otherwise a stand taken by them, rather than keeping the customer happy. If you are unable to service your customer to his satisfaction, you are losing a potential customer.
Correct. Yeah.
And when you say you are losing a customer, you are losing a business.
You're right. Okay.
I closed my salary account with ICICI Bank forever because one of the checks of worth rupees almost 2 lakh rupees was returned thrice by the bank.
Okay.
This despite being a State Bank of India treasury check.
All right. Immediate issued and immediate clear.
The fault lies with the employee of that bank, which they refuse to acknowledge.
All right.
They slapped fines on me. Fine. The same very day, I decided I should stop my relationship with ICICI Bank, and I changed my salary bankers from ICICI to SBI.
How wonderful.
They have lost a salary account of 1.5 lakh rupees per month.
Per month, exactly. Alright.
I not only stopped at that, I cancelled their insurance policy. I cancelled all my investments with ICICI mutual funds. These are related effect on ICICI Bank's other parallel ventures.
How wonderful.
I have stopped trading with ICICI Bank. I still hold ICICI Bank credit card, but I don't do any transactions on it since last many years.
Right. So as a company,
All transactions are on SBI Bank.
how wonderful. And that is very conscious. We really want to
They have lost a high net worth customer.
Correct.
Today's customer may be a low value customer.
You are right.
Look at him and build him for a future role, for a future big customer relationship. I'll give you a very small example again from my personal life. One XYZ individual who is basically in the investment sector,
All right.
and he wanted investments from me.
All right.
And I started off with him for 2 years with very small investments in mutual funds, something in shares, something like that. Very small. He always used to tell me कि सर बहुत छोटा दिया ये. मैंने कहा भूषण wait. After 2 years I am going to retire.
All right. So huge amount.
A lot of funds will be coming through.
We
Have
want to park
patience.
somewhere.
This gentleman
Have some patience.
had a faith and patience. 3 years after I retired, the kind of money he got from me,
Obviously.
and today also my relationship is ever growing with him.
How wonderful.
He not only does this job for me, but he does few of my personal jobs also,
Correct.
which are beyond his duty to do.
Exactly.
I tell him, yaar, deliver greeting cards or a birthday cake to my mother. He does it. Yes, I pay for it, but he does it.
How wonderful.
I tell him, yaar, I want this 2 printouts immediately. Say I want 4 copies of my PAN card or 5 copies of my Aadhaar card. He not only takes out the printout, but delivers it at my home.
How wonderful. This is a quality and services basically.
Today, he has got an investment which I started with few thousand rupees.
Come to the life.
Has gone to crore now.
How wonderful.
Because he knows, and I advised him only one thing. Bhushan,
That's the process.
never lose a customer. Even if he's 100 rupees worth customer, retain him. Today that 100 rupee customer is at the age of 22. Imagine where will he be and what will be at the age of 44.
The power of compounding.
Power of compounding. Don't forget, he is earning.
Exactly.
And his income will be rising from the age of 22 to 44. It will not diminish.
How wonderful. So you said that, na? You already remember your all battalion or cadets or whatever the
Correct.
segment. How you can remember everybody's name? If there is any technique or that's,
There are 2
sharp
things to
memory
it.
we can call it.
One is the association with them.
Mm-hmm.
One is I am with them throughout
Alright.
PT, games, through all the parades. I have been taking their classes also. Most of these persons are remembered by nicknames.
Yeah.
Kalia, Moto, Lambo.
Yo.
These are typical names, people
Yeah.
called by based on this color, physical structure or otherwise. And most important of all, many of them were of similar names in the regiment which I served,
Like Ramesh Suresh kind of.
where it is difficult to keep the names remembering by the name of Patil.
Alright.
Say in Maratha infantry in my company, there are 20 Patils.
Alright.
So how do I remember which Patil?
Exactly.
Remembering by surname is much easier than remembering by first name.
Correct.
But Fauj has a unit system of numbering. We all have got a service number.
Yes.
So we say 47 Patil, 77 Patil, 87 Patil.
That's really amazing.
Moment you say, sir, 49 Patil, 35 numberi. I remember 35 numberi Patil, I immediately get connected.
So nowadays there will be different brands. एक number Patil cha.
And then again I
End of
know
the
by
brand.
their personal things. अरे तो पाटील आहे का जसं लव्ह मॅरेज झालं.
Got it. So these are some tricks to you can.
That is personal bonding with them.
Exactly. Obviously, whenever we communicate with the regular, with some particular person, we definitely
Amongst
remember their name.
officers, I know EMEचा पाटील आहे, आर्टलरीचा पाटील आहे,
अच्छा.
वर्कशॉपचा पाटील आहे, सप्लायवाला पाटील आहे.
All right. Let's come to the.
Not only I identify him by name, the moment he says की इलेक्ट्रिकल अँड मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियरचा पाटील आहे, कनेक्ट विथ हिम इमिजिएटली
Exactly.
की आम्ही तिथे सर्व केलं एकत्र.
You are right, sir. Correct.
But that takes time. That comes only after you are beyond professional relationship with that man.
Yeah.
If you ask him about his family, if you interact with him over these things, काय रे बायका पोरं काय करतायत, बाप कसा आहे, बापानी काय केलं, you remember.
Yes.
And then you get connected. अच्छा त्याचा बाप ज्याचा पॅरालिसिस झालाय.
All right. म्हणजे त्यांच्या इश्यूजला आपण टाका. Yeah.
So you have to get a background of all your employees.
Exactly. All the customer, all the community
All the
members.
community members, all customers.
How wonderful. Sir, many times we know that punctuality means defense having their own punctuality. Suppose today's, I am just sharing the today's sharing. Means when most of time I am getting late due to the traffic, due to the different segment. But I know today I am just going to meet to somebody who is coming back the background from the defense and all. तो मुझे उनसे पहले पहुंचना है. So punctuality आज ती successful झाली. But most of time what happens is in the business and whatever, you already share the experience of that particular when you are getting late in your later and whatever at that time. But how to maintain the punctuality and how we become a particular committed on that particular words. If you given some time, most of happens is right now nowadays India, most of my foreign client had said कि India में time का कुछ value ही नहीं है.
Absolutely.
So how we can maintain that?
Time is the one which unfortunately no one values.
Alright.
I have been telling this often to all my students and staff throughout. If you don't respect the time, time will not respect you.
Exactly.
Take for example today's meeting.
Mm-hmm.
We fixed up at 11.
Exactly, sir.
I thought I will do some other work en route.
Exactly.
But then few things happened, and then I gave up those work a sideline, and I know
I have to meet.
this I might get late.
Okay, got it.
In military, we always believe in reaching a place 5 to 10 minutes earlier.
All right.
And so when I got a call from you, I looked at the watch. मैंने कहा चला, this gentleman has reached 10 minutes before me.
All right.
I did not expect it, frankly speaking.
Thank you so much.
I thought you will be there by 11.
All right.
And by reaching 10 minutes before, let me tie up which place is open, which is not, and what
All
is
right.
it. But when I received the call, I was almost
Near to the pretty.
very near to this, and मैंने कहा ये तो 10 मिनट पहले पहुंच गया. Then I looked at my watch, और मैंने अपने आप को तसल्ली दी कि यार मैं लेट नहीं हुआ हूँ.
Exactly.
You may be early, it is your problem.
Exactly right.
So long as I am not late, it's fine with me.
It's really amazing. Yeah.
And again, many a times it so happened in my professional life in army. At some of the parties where I knew there is a traffic jam, there are issues at that particular time, I always tried and started half an hour earlier. Today Google tells you how much time it takes on that route to reach. By car it is different, by motorcycle. And again, given the number of signals, if your luck is bad,
Then
you will get a red light at all the signals.
exactly right.
So give 2 minutes time for each red light.
All right.
So take approximately 10 red lights are there.
Right.
20 minutes
Minutes
give
will
that cushion time.
To the waiting.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't really affect if you are 50 minutes earlier.
Yes, you're right.
You can explore that place. You can see that place. You can gain some other knowledge of that place.
Yeah, correct.
No, nothing wrong.
Exactly.
But if you are 5 minutes late,
Then it means
it talks a lot of about
exactly.
a person. How interested you are in this meeting. Simple as that.
Correct. Exactly.
Are you keeping the hosts waiting?
Yeah.
It shows your respect for that host also.
Exactly, sir.
If that and what are you valuing that meeting or that person? It shows your value towards both the things,
Yes,
person as well as the event.
You're right. Perfect.
And we have always been taught calculate your time and reach
Before the time.
before the time always.
Right. So with this same particular question, I am already asking how to, committed with the words. Otherwise, how we fix the that commitment as per the words. Otherwise, we are just most of businessmen or new startup comes to the business. They set up the goal, but they are not able to fix that particular goal. They will continuously changing their goals. Similarly, what is your thought about the time management?
Specifically, I always believe and I plan my day, including my family members. I don't like someone bringing up a plan impromptu.
All right.
I always ask all my family members की कल क्या करना है, उद्या काय करायचं आहे, ते मला आत्ता सांगा.
अच्छा.
Evening prior to tomorrow, I plan my day.
All right.
कि भाई tomorrow I have to do this. I have to remind these things. And if I have to give a gift to someone, the gift may be lying in my house.
Exactly.
But I can't start packing that thing at the nth hour. It has to be done tonight.
You're right.
So preparation for that has to be done one day before. What is my traveling time to that place? Traveling time during morning 6 o'clock may be 15 minutes. Evening 7, it may be 45 minutes.
Exactly.
That has to be, all things has to be considered, and you have to plan your next day's event.
Right.
That is very important.
Yes, it's really amazing. Miss, you said that preparation come before the success, even in dictionary. So this is really amazing, sir. Thank you so much for contributing. Sir, most of time everybody says that what is system? System is government run by the system, bank run by the system, military run by the system. Everybody means company run by the system. So how to create the system?
System is built on ethos and values. And one must not rely fully on system for everything. No system is complete in itself. Whatever the system offers free will never be of good quality. I believe in that. I feel bad because today's people are looking at the organization to do everything for them.
Exactly.
They are looking at country and government to do everything for them. It is beyond the capability of any government or any system in the world to satisfy everyone.
Exactly.
Instead of, whenever I go to any village, I always tell the villagers there, why are you waiting for Anudan?
Yes.
If the same project, there are many examples in India where villagers have contributed money and executed the projects. Manega, if you construct a small pond, plants are free by forest departments. If you plant free plants obtained from forest departments, plant them and water them,
correct,
you will be contributing not only to the environment, you will be contributing to the water levels of the village.
Exactly.
Tanks, village ponds, village wells. What is the problem in you people from contributing? You want free education, which is substandard.
All right.
You pay for the education, you will get admitted to a good convent.
Exactly.
As simple as that.
Exactly. Right.
Anything that comes free is not free.
Actually.
It is not free. Believe me. It comes at a cost.
Exactly. You really want to pay it.
Anything government is giving you free is just to get your vote and nothing beyond that.
Exactly.
If the standard of government schools was so good, they would have produced more IAS officers, more engineers and more doctors. Those who have paid 45,000 rupees fees to attend a particular private class, their children have done much better than those who are just remained in the government school.
Exactly.
So come out of that mentality.
Create a system.
You do and work for a system, the system will work for you.
Exactly.
Tomorrow, if you keep your villages clean, if you had you people, government has given money, for example, for constructing toilet blocks in the house. Most of the places they give money where no toilets were constructed.
Exactly.
Many places they gave material where they constructed they put a plank over it and are using it as a storeroom.
Exactly.
This is the ground reality, gentlemen. And I find where I am serving, people are still shitting and urinating on the outskirts, go early morning or evening. The government sends inspection teams. Before the inspection teams comes, they ensure that the things are clean. The villagers are told, don't do your morning activities on the road. The inspection team is coming.
Exactly.
So never work for inspections.
Bid your own.
You should always be
Punch.
ready,
Ready for everything.
as if every day is an inspection.
Exactly.
Then only there will be a progress.
How wonderful, how wonderful. So because ultimately we just want to create a system and trust that particular system and follow it. It's only the option to do anything.
Yes, the system has to be, ultimately, it's a company. If the system is fair, you must uphold the system.
Exactly.
The system must be fair, ethical, and genuine.
Exactly. Correct.
You must understand that, take the consideration of population in India.
Correct.
Don't compare with other populations of other worlds and other places.
Yeah.
You have to also have the character of other people. You can't compare a Japanese character with an Indian character.
Exactly. Sir. Complete culture and everything is different.
You are ready to, at a drop of the hat, you stand anywhere alongside the road and start urinating, spit anywhere. But when you go to other country, you don't do that.
Exactly. Yesterday we already discussed. Means most of people said India people are not in well disciplined, but same people as go to the outside or other countries, they are behave as a very
I
disciplined.
feel very
person.
bad when our own people, youngsters, they go to visit forts, places of historical importance, write their names,
with heart and that.
but
kind of
same thing they don't do on the house walls of their own house.
Exactly. So what is this mentality, sir, actually?
This is a perverted mentality.
All right. Now we can change. We only it is started by our own.
It has to start from within. That is where education plays a role.
All right.
I always believe education is not by number of marks you have scored or a percentage you have scored in a particular exam. A student who has topped 12th, I still tell my students, ultimate winner is one who has cracked a competitive exam.
How wonderful. Exactly.
He may be a 50% chap at the board exams, which he has got on his own strength. That 50% marks are the work of his hard work.
Exactly.
Another student has got 90% marks with copying.
Exactly. Correct.
That 90% may not be able to crack the competitive exam, whereas this 50% chap with little bit of more mehnat will crack that exam.
How wonderful. Exactly.
So the success lies in a person. Does not depend on the marks or his academic performance.
Ultimately, it's skill.
Ultimately, it is a skill to crack a particular exam.
How wonderful. Exactly. So, miss, people don't want to be miss now. After the pandemic, there are lots of opportunity in the market. Miss, most of academic education is going to the down, but skill is just coming to the market.
People who are employing, business people who are employing these people today, they must, to a large extent, overlook the academic performance of that school.
Exactly.
I may not be a BSc IT, but if I have got the required skills to execute our work,
Yes.
I think that should make me eligible for selection.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And there are a number of cases I have seen where the certificates are obtained by fraud.
Absolutely. Correct.
Number of people I have interviewed in my school as a computer instructor, I found them.
MSc,
They can't-
only. They have the basic.
Basic IT knowledge they are lacking.
All right.
So if the person meets your requirement without having the requisite educational qualification, do employ him.
How wonderful. Correct.
As simple as that. Ultimately, you have to run a business.
Exactly.
You may get a gold medalist of a Pune University or a IIM Ahmedabad, but if that gold medalist is unable to deliver, he is of no use.
Correct.
I'll give you a very simple analogy. A BTech automobile will not be able to repair a puncture or find a fault in your car. Be rest assured.
Exactly, sir.
But a street side technician
find out every problem of.
He will find out the problem to the car and solution to the car also.
Only by the sound of car.
Only by the sound of the car.
So this is again the biggest
So
learning to us.
you think now what type of employee you want?
Yeah, skill employee, otherwise degree employee. That is the again. Or whatever you want to become like a skill person, otherwise the certificate person.
Look at
This is a
skills.
good question. This is a particular thing. We definitely like to mild our conversation and all. So obviously most of people have faces issues like a startup, like a youngsters, like a student who are just starting their career. They are confusing about their vision, mission and goal. So how to set that mission, goal according to personal and according to the organization?
These are all interrelated terms which are often mixed. Aim, objective, mission, and vision. All these four terms are interlinked
Absolutely.
to some extent, but very, very different. A vision is the end state, what you want. Aim is a medium term of a vision. Mission is what you want to achieve.
Correct.
You may not reach your vision, but you may achieve your mission.
Absolutely. Correct.
But it is not otherwise.
Yeah.
Other way around. So, one has to break up his aim, mission into various objectives, short-term objectives, I will say steps, which will lead to fulfilling of the mission or a vision.
Exactly.
So once you have set a mission for you, say my mission is to, in army parlance, to capture this or achieve this, then to achieve that, what are the necessary steps in between or the processes in between through which I have to go?
Exactly.
I have to analyze each of those processes, study them, and then I have to analyze what skill set are required,
All right.
what money is required,
For all this.
what help is required to get to that mission.
Means ultimately we can find out the resources after the setting
You have
all.
to find out, you have to carry out a great in-depth and have a very, short-term plans. You have set a goal for yourself, say for 2023, I should have this.
Plot or something, whatever. Yeah.
By how to reach that? There is a staircase to reach that.
Yes. Correct.
And you must know at every step what are the problems that you are likely to encounter.
Exactly.
You may encounter them, you may not.
You're right.
You may find 3 steps first going very smoothly. Fourth, you will face a problem which you possibly never thought.
Exactly.
No issue.
Let's try it again.
But you have to have these steps very clearly. Problems at each steps and how do you plan to negotiate them. A deep thought, a deep thinking has to be done in that, and never be in a hurry to put a plan in place.
All right.
Look at the government. They have put certain things in a great hurry. Whether it was Notebandi,
Correct.
whether it is GST, whether it
Lockdown.
is anything, lockdown.
The panic situations come.
Let's take at today's news. There are about 400 students who are stuck up
All right.
at I'm forgetting the name, at one of the airports where the sudden government has put a sudden clampdown that you will require 7 days
Quarantine.
quarantine,
Yeah.
and those students, and including there is one, our chess competitor, national chess competitor, of the
Alright.
youngest competitor who is stuck up there.
All right.
Now due to this 7 days quarantine rule, he will miss out few of the matches.
Exactly.
This comes all of a sudden.
Yes.
So my next point, which I always make, is never bring in changes suddenly. Change has to be brought in
This is
step by step, gradually.
All right.
Change has to be accepted.
Otherwise, it will be opposite.
Never say something, do very abruptly कि कल से ये नहीं होगा.
Action.
Imagine a train during lockdown, when it was suddenly announced, had stopped after 2 days. So a person from Delhi going to Kanyakumari his train stopped at Hyderabad.
Correct.
Did the government visualize such plight?
Absolutely.
Had they given 3 days notice, 4 days notice, everyone would have completed his journey, planned his journey.
Yes.
There would have been less turmoil
Correct.
and less hardships to the citizens.
Exactly.
And that is where never pass any orders. Abhi se, turant se. Before passing that, think twice.
Exactly. Think twice. How wonderful. It's amazing to achieve the goal, achieve the things we really want to be, understand how to behave ourselves and how to maintain our skill and everything and resources. Sir, last question, but not least actually. Most of time I remember when I was in military school, there was the culture. Early morning we are just going to wake up and it's going for the PT classes and different classes. There will be the prayers, right? Similarly, in the whenever we going to before the bed, there was the roll call. So can we please explore the concept of the prayer, otherwise to-do list, and end of the day there will be the roll call. What is actually concept of that particular segment? Means how we can also is it possible to implement in our civilization life?
Yes. Starting a day early is always good.
Exactly.
You get a lot of question time, lot of time to think what is coming ahead in day, what all has been planned. If something unexpected has come by that morning, so you take a stock of it. You will never go wrong on your time planning, and you can plan your day out well. Morning mind is the freshest. The latest study which has gone into and research has amply proved that students who study early morning have done better in life or academics than those who are studying till late night.
Yes.
Morning, the air is fresh, the mind is fresh, the environment is very good. You should start your day with a prayer that your day goes well, that your events go well, that you are thankful to the God. And evening should end with gratitude to all those, not only God, to all those who have helped you in finishing the day's task. You should be express your gratitude to your parents who have given you meals, your employees who have done their bit for the day and contributed to your progress and achievement. You should be thankful to the God for keeping you alive. When you say last night, it was really last night for many of the peoples who never woke up to see the morning.
Exactly.
Be thankful to the God.
Right.
Prayer and gratitude gives you a lot of, I will say, inner peace.
Inner peace. Yeah.
Tremendous inner peace. Try this out. Meditation gives you a power to think better and positively. It is very difficult art. I am unable to meditate for more than, I'll say, few seconds.
All right.
Just try out keeping your mind blank without any thought coming to your mind. I bet many of you will not be able to do it even for 30 seconds.
All right.
Something or will keep striking. यार तो येणार आहे, हे येणार आहे, हे करणार आहे, ते करणार आहे, असं झालं तर. Distractions. It's very difficult. But 5 or 10 minutes meditation early morning, expressing gratitude, and again before sleeping, please reflect on your activities of the day.
Whole day which you already traveled.
Yes. During the day, if I have harmed someone,
Say sorry.
I hit a student, I abused someone, I do reflect before sleeping. यार मी या मुलाला मारलं, मी याच्यावर नाराज झालो, मी याला शिवीगाळ केली, हे चांगलं नाही केलं मी.
That is maybe catch your pattern.
At the back of my mind, I feel यार I am sorry, I should not have done this यार. बच्चा आहे बिचारा.
Yes.
तरी पण मी त्याच्यावर रागावलो. मला त्याच्या लेवलला उतरायला पाहिजे होतं की या वयात, या क्लासमध्ये आणि या बॅकग्राऊंडचं असताना मी काय केलं असतं.
Exactly. All right.
तर बहुधा मला तेवढा राग आला नसता.
Correct. अगदी बरोबर.
राग आला, मारण्याचं दुःखही होतं मुलांना, आणि दुसऱ्या दिवशी देन आय ट्राय टू कम्पेन्सेट दॅट बाय वे ऑफ गिविंग अ शाबाशी की थपकी ऑन दॅट चाइल्ड्स बॅक. आय फाइंड अ टाइम अँड अपॉर्च्युनिटी. बेटा हे चांगलं काम केलंस आणि आय एम सॉरी काल मी तुला हात लावला. राग यायला नव्हता पाहिजे, पण आय एम सॉरी फॉर इट. It gives me a great peace when I say sorry to someone, when I feel bad about it. And it gives me great sense of satisfaction and peace when I pat on the back of that student or a teacher ki हे काम तू चांगलं केलंस. It is not that he may not have really done that job well, but it is I'm compensating for my yesterday's anger on him.
Exactly, correct.
I'm compensating on my yesterday's anger on him. It improves, let me tell you, my image in front of their eyes and respect for me in their hearts grows up 10 times.
Exactly. Absolutely right.
It is that way.
Absolutely right. It is literally eye-opening, and it is really visionary for the every people who are in the market right now. So ultimately, sir, what happens is in the arms or otherwise forces or whatever the army in the segment, what is the exactly you guys do in the particularly to-do list you are just planning for the morning, and what is the actually working in the roll call?
Actually, roll call is basically a stock taking.
Stock taking.
There are two events which take place at roll call. First is stock taking, that all Jawans are present, physically present at the required place.
Acha.
You know, that takes a physical count की सगळी माझी लोक हाजीर आहेत आणि व्यवस्थित आहेत.
All right. So that is first intention.
The second main intention of roll call, one must understand when I say कि plan your next day today.
All right. Yeah.
So what happens exactly in roll call in the army is we pass orders for tomorrow.
Acha.
Ki I'll tell you a typical example of a roll call. We start the roll call by taking first the physical count.
Correct.
Ki everyone is present, and if someone is not present, we send a lookout.
Very easy.
By trace out, लेके आओ उसको. We delay the roll call by 10 minutes till everyone joins in. Having done that, then we say कि कल CO साहब इधर विजिट करेगा, हवलदार सो एंड सो, तुम इसके इंचार्ज हो, तुम इसके इंचार्ज हो, तुमने ये करना है, चाय पानी का अरेंजमेंट तुमने करना है, कल इस प्रमोशन कार्डर की क्लास होंगी, इस जगह पर कल कमांडर साहब आने वाले हैं, तुमने इस जगह गाड़ी लेके जाना है. तो ईच इंडिविजुअल इज टास्क्ड फॉर हिज नेक्स्ट डे,
Exactly.
what he is supposed to do and where he is supposed to be and what time he is supposed to be present.
Exactly. Clarity.
The Guru Mantra here is you should always be present at right time, at right place
Right person.
and in right turnout.
Exactly.
You have to attend a party, you are supposed to wear a tie, you should be there in tie.
All right.
So that instructions, if they are passed today, the time is known, the location is known and the dress is known.
Exactly.
You will never go wrong in life.
Correct.
That is what roll call ensures.
Exactly.
Each person of the company, they know what is the impending task for each of them, where they are supposed to be, at what time they are supposed to be, in what uniform they are supposed to be, and what they are supposed to do tomorrow. These four things are laid down.
That is very important.
So the next day goes off very smoothly. I need not supervise my men. I need not worry कि साला वो पहुंचेगा या नहीं पहुंचेगा, वो काम करेगा या नहीं करेगा, वो ठीक ड्रेस में होगा या नहीं होगा.
Correct.
The second issue is the third issue of roll call is taking a feedback. कि भाई दिन में क्या हुआ,
अच्छा.
हवालदार सो अँड सो तुला हे काम दिलं होतं, त्याचं काय झालं, कितपत झालं, पूर्ण झालं, नाही झालं, अर्धवट झालं, थांबलं, का थांबलं, ते काम पूर्ण उद्या कर आणि ते करण्याकरता माझी काय मदत पाहिजे आत्ता सांग मला.
Let me know. Yeah, all right.
So that at least the job which was not completed today gets completed next day.
Next day. Yeah.
That's the whole
Intentions.
intention and the whole concept of roll call.
How wonderful. And it is definitely applicable for the all businessmen, all students,
Everyone.
Because military rule are the very simple way.
Feedback every day, evening,
Yeah.
is a concept which you must follow. Each head of your business or a head of your section, sub-unit must give you a feedback of the day की सर हे काम माझ्याजवळ होतं, यातलं इतकं काम मी कंप्लीट केलं आहे, इतकं काम बॅलन्स राहिलं आणि ह्या कामात मला ह्या अडचणी येतात आणि याच्यात मला तुमची मदत पाहिजे. If he doesn't give you a feedback on a daily basis, after 7 days you will ask him, अरे त्याला मी ते काय काम झालं, त्याचं काय झालं. You will find it has not progressed anywhere.
Exactly. You're right.
So every day one इफ यू हैव अ व्हॉट्सॲप ग्रुप, एव्हरी एम्प्लॉय मस्ट टेल यू की सर आज मी हे सॉफ्टवेअरचं इतकं पार्ट डेव्हलप केलं आहे, व्हॉट आर टास्क इन युअर ओन कंपनीज युअर गॉट, की सर हे करताना मला हे प्रॉब्लेम्स आले. ही शुड बी ओपन टू यू अबाउट द प्रॉब्लेम्स ही हॅज फेस्ड.
एक्झॅक्टली.
ही शुड बी व्हेरी कॅन्डिड की सर मला हे प्रॉब्लेम्स आले आणि या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये मला तुमची मदत लागेल.
करेक्ट.
किंवा तुमचा गायडन्स लागेल हाऊ टू प्रोग्रेस. इफ यू नो दिस, बाय नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग यू कैन कॉल हिम टू द ऑफिस, टेल हिम कि बड़ा तुझे ये प्रॉब्लम्स होते, ये इश्यूज होते, दिस इज माय गाइडेंस.
एक्झॅक्टली.
गो एज पर दैट, गिव मी फीडबैक अगेन.
ऑलराइट. यस.
अदरवाइज एट द एंड ऑफ द 7th डे यू विल गेट अ फेट कंप्लीट की सर हे काम झालं नाही.
करेक्ट. अँड द प्रेशर अँड डेडलाईन विल बिकम.
का नाही झालं, मला सर त्यांनी रेस्पॉन्स नाही दिला, मला हे भेटलं नाही आहे.
करेक्ट.
And a very typical example from the army I will give.
Alright.
A working party is detailed of 10 people to go and clean a particular area.
Alright.
Next day morning they report to that place.
Okay.
When I visit them, काम क्यों नहीं शुरू हुआ? सर वो अभी फावड़ा लाने गया है, कुदाल लाने गया है.
Alright.
So that time at 7 if the work was to start, they are running around searching for faudas and kudalis to do that job. Had this been tied up and brought at early morning there, this job would have started by now.
Exactly.
Now the question is, who is responsible to pass these instructions? कि as an executive, my job is only to tell them कि सवेरे 7 बजे वो एरिया साफ होना है.
Correct.
It is my subordinate's job to tell them कि कल कुदाली लेके आना है.
Exactly. All right. Team leader will be work.
It is his job to get into the nitty-gritties of it. की उद्या सगळ्यांनी पीटी शूज घालून यायचं, पीटी ड्रेसमध्ये यायचं, ह्या माणसांनी कुदाळी घ्यायची, ह्या माणसांनी फावडी घ्यायची आणि ह्या माणसांनी दोऱ्या घ्यायच्यात आणि ह्या माणसांनी डस्टबिन घ्यायची किंवा जे काय सामान लागेल ते. ह्या सगळ्या जर इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स त्यांनी आज दिल्या असता आणि हे स्टोअर जर संध्याकाळीच कलेक्ट झाले असते तर सकाळी 7 वाजता जेव्हा ते गॅदर झाले, दे ऑल नाउ हॅव गॉन अप टू गेट दोज requisite things. And then that things will come, then the work will start. You have lost half an hour.
Exactly.
That's where the roll call also comes in play, and the role of subordinates comes into play, and your role comes into play to see that
Observation.
any such issues are coming up. If they are addressed in time, you will achieve your targets.
Oh, wonderful. It is a billion dollar lines actually, sir. Thank you so much for contributing to all these questions and everything. I don't want to be, go ahead with the other question. We will definitely organize another event after some time. Last message, what is your message for the youngster? What is your message for the entrepreneur? What is your message for the new startup? What is your message for the businessman? So it's all about the small message from the Mr. Colonel Ravindra Gokhale to the people.
I'll start from the bottom of the pyramid. For the educated people who have joined the job, employees I will say, they must work hard towards the organization in which they are serving with full integrity and loyalty. These are the two words which has built our relationship in the army and made our bond strong. They can bitch in-house, they can crib in-house कि so and so is bad, this system is bad, this thing is bad in the organization, but they should never speak ill about the organization outside the organization.
Alright, exactly.
I may have problems in my own organization, my life may not be that comfortable. I should not go telling about my family members, my relatives, my friends or my WhatsApp group कि साला my life is hell here. No. This is one thing, and they must continue to work with full zeal till the last day or last hour, last minute in the organization. That loyalty, integrity and hard work should continue. For the supervisors, they should be the guiding beacon on day-to-day basis and should be able to identify what is required for tomorrow's work and whether necessary instructions and tools and implements have been provided to the employer a day before the actual work is to start.
Exactly.
Then only the work will start at the right time. Otherwise it will keep getting delayed. And the message for the top man is only one. keep your team together. Get involved indirectly in their personal affairs and know your men better and try to address their personal problems. Your professional problems will take care of themselves.
Oh, wonderful. It's really amazing. So it's all about. Thank you so much, sir, for contributing for the today's session. I really wishes you for your upcoming journey and upcoming planning for your military school and your journey for the investment and journey for the lots of you already plan. And I really like to invite you for our advisory committee and particularly corporate plannings or corporate trainings. We will definitely people will like your attitude, like your communication, and like your obviously content. So we will definitely hunger for your upcoming content soon. So thank you so much for joining us, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Welcome. My pleasure.